Hi guys, so I've just came back shooting ton of videos today for my Instagram. So basically I'm in Bangalore and it's a vacation for 10 days and YouTube is something which I always take as last priority, and I really want to be more serious and I want to shoot at more premium locations, but I'm not able to because these are like long videos and I have to sit and talk. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you and tell you about how to build a portfolio with no clients. This is the most common question asked in my Instagram DMs and I'm gonna break it away bit by bit for you in this video. So let me tell you one thing, clients don't care about your past, they care about what you're doing right now. What are your skill sets? So I'm gonna tell you the perfect methods and tips which my one-on-one coaching students also use to get clients immediately, like as a newbie. So back then when I was doing freelancing, like as in beginning, like 2-3 years back, I pitched to a founder on LinkedIn and I wrote this beautiful message and talking about his company and systems and stuff, and he replied me and he said me share your portfolio. And honestly I have no portfolio at that time, so what I did, I built a fake portfolio of a brand case study similar to his niche and send that to him, and will you believe that I got the client, like the deal is closed. So portfolio is equal to proof of skill and not the past work. Your portfolio don't need 10 to 20 items, they need specific 2 to 3 things that show your work. So what I do, I just open Notion or Canva and I pick one brand I love, one brand I hate, and one imaginary brand. For each I created a problem statement, a solution, and the process or the system I will go through from the problem to solution. This alone make me look professional more than 80% of freelancers. This is powerful. Here's what I did. I analyzed 3 real companies and created better version of their website, social media, newsletter, LinkedIn profile, even ads. Now I will tell you why clients love this, because you are talking about real-time data. You are talking about systems and process that you will actually do if you will work with someone. And guess what? This client paid me 3 lakhs in advance and was my biggest deal. I have made a whole video on this, you can go and watch it. Clients pay for clarity. So I used to document my process. I just make random videos, trainings on how will I write an ad copy, how will I write a blog, how I will design a newsletter. Same trainings and videos become my portfolio and also showcase my skills when it comes to social media, when it comes to content. Suddenly I don't look like a beginner at all. So clients before and after transformations I've written. So every niche has this. For designers you can go from bad post to good post, old logo to new logo. For writers you can go from boring captions to high converting captions, from random bio to professional bio. For SMM you can have like a messy profile and you can show how the optimized profile will look like. You can put it in a document. Then if they have a low engagement, you can show them the content strategy. Editors draw clip to viral edit style. When clients see the before and after results, they immediately trust you, and you can literally pick any brand on the internet and use for your benefit. So this is basically how I position myself even before having rock solid testimonials. I'm talking about like 3-4 years ago when I was no one. So strong portfolio isn't just work, it's presentation. So I use like LinkedIn featured section, Google Drive, one-page Notion. So sections I always include. You can put it in pointers and you can see here. Number 1, who I am. So I put the flavor tadka of my personality, how I quit my my job after IIT and doing this now. Then what problems you're solving, 2 to 3 best samples, some shadow projects, before after selection process, and content details. Looks premium, gets premium, clients to you. Your portfolio is not a file, it's a marketing asset, so use it to attract. So now how to use it? Post 1 case study every week on LinkedIn. Turn each samples into 5 to 7 content pieces. DM founders on regular basis and targeting their pain point. Add a portfolio link in your bio or use proposals in cold outreach. I have made some amazing video on some pitches also. You can try and test for your DMs. So on ending note, the honest truth is you just need one founder to say yes. And when it happens, you will turn a fake portfolio into a real one.